Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 26, 2024, our system has identified QQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.94. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of -0.84%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.28% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a broad and horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this pattern. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 0.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -8.72% and +5.35%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 33.26% over the upcoming year, with a potential return ranging from 25.12% to 47.33%. This corresponds to a price range between $589.75 and $694.44 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, "A challenging day on Wednesday for the QQQ ETF, experiencing a decline of 1.13%. The QQ ETF price decreased by 1.13% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, falling from $476.76 to $471.35. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.95%, ranging from a low of $467.91 to a high of $477.02. Notably, the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.86% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume surged on the last day by 10 million shares, even as prices declined. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 36 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $17 billion and $80 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price sits 6.39%, or $32.17, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust continues to generate interest among investors due to its exposure to leading technology firms. Recently, it has displayed remarkable returns, with discussions highlighting the exchange-traded fund as a potential millionaire maker. The excitement doesn't stop there. The resurgence of major equity benchmarks, particularly the Nasdaq 100, indicates a recovery momentum following recent slumps. This positions QQQ favorably for short-term price appreciation as investor sentiment shifts positively. Moreover, with asset inflows into tech-focused exchange-traded funds surging, the environment is ripe for significant growth. The trust's ability to capitalize on past performance and market recoveries could attract more capital, enhancing liquidity and potentially pushing prices higher in the long run. Additionally, macroeconomic indicators suggest a higher likelihood of a soft landing, which could further benefit QQQ, as its risk premium relative to risk-free assets has diminished recently. Institutional acceptance of emerging asset classes, like Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, could diversify market dynamics, indirectly supporting tech-based exchange-traded funds by fostering optimism within the risk-on asset category. Overall, the combination of strong performance metrics, favorable market conditions, and investor sentiment suggests that QQQ could see both short-term upward moves and sustained growth potential moving forward. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $477.29. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $469.17. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was noted 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 7 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 13 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 193 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at 448 75/100ths. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $9.11 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.95%. During the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.76%. Before we explore the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, it is important to briefly discuss some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either diminished expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $479.49. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund. and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Currently, the QQ ETF shows several concerning indicators, and we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 29th of August, we predict that QQQ will open up about 74 cents and begin trading at $472.09. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.